Getting to know your Epson whiteboard, one of the most important things that you'll focus on are your pens. Your pens come in a carrying case like this. It is important to note that these do not charge in this case. The batteries will have to be taken out and charged separately. But your case may also be one that opens and closes that holds your pens. They are magnetic, but it's important to note that you don't want to stick magnetic things to your interactive whiteboard because that can mess with the calibration of the pens. So when in doubt, put it somewhere nearby so that you can put your pens in and you'll always know where they are. It's easy to keep track of. Each of your pens are color-coded, one blue and one orange. That way you can assign them and you know which one you're using for which specific purpose. I'm going to put this pen back into my holder right here and focus on this pen here. Now, in order to get your pens to work with your computer and your whiteboard, you will need to take the white USB cable that's hooked up to your HDMI and also plug that into your dongle. So you'll have both the HDMI cable and the white USB cable in order to have your pens help control your computer, what they call PC interactivity. So now that I have my pen, I'll notice that there's a button on the top of my pen. When I push that button, I get a blue light on my pen. That tells me that this pen has battery charge to it, so I should be good to go. If you push that button and nothing happens, you need to recharge your batteries. I recommend charging your batteries about every 3 to 4 weeks, just on principle. So plug them in when you go home for the night, you come back the next day, and they should be good to go. It's important to know that when you plug your batteries in, you'll get a green light. In the charger, a green light means that it's charging. If there is no light, then it's done charging and your batteries should be good to go. So again, plug them in, leave them go overnight, come back in the morning, and then put them into your pens. So now I have a pen, and when I get close to the board, you can see that the board will track where my pen is going. I have a toolbar down here at the bottom, which we'll look at in another video, and I have some selection tools over here on the left. So now that I have my pen, I've verified that my battery is charged. I have the white cable plugged into the dongle. Everything should be good for my pen to work with my computer. So here I've just pulled up my desktop, and you can see now that the projector does recognize my pen. So as I get close and I move my pen across, I'm in annotation mode, so I can draw all over whatever I have listed here. So whether that's a worksheet or something I want to highlight, I can use my selection tools here at the bottom, choose whatever I wish to change, and you can see that it actually does a really good job of following what I'm trying to write here. I'm going to go ahead and erase that. Two other points that are very important. In the left-hand corner down here, you see a little toggle button that says PC Interactivity. So if I have my pen, it's charged, and I just can't seem to get it to run any of my programs. I've checked the battery, I've checked that the cables are plugged in correctly. Everything should be working, but it's just not. I want to come down here to PC Interactivity and make sure that I toggle that on. You'll see now it's in PC operation mode. Now that it's in PC operation mode, I can't write, but I should be able to select programs.